I'm UR15CS335. So I'm going to do dynamic routing using OSPF. OSPF is nothing but open shortest path first. So OSPF network is divided into areas that are logical groupings of hosts and networks. And all you need for OSPF is a wildcard mask and a process ID. Process ID is process ID is local to the router and it is used to identify the process running at the router at the current time. And wildcard mask is nothing but just the inversion of your subnet mask. So my topology has basically three routers connected to three LAN networks. And so as usual, I have given IP address for all the PCs and I have subnetted it. So for the first LAN, I have given 192.168.1.1. It is in one series. The next LAN is in two series, and then third LAN is in three series. So I have done subnetting. So my subnet mask is 255.255.255.224, and the default gateway is 1.30, and for the second network is 2.30, and for the third network is 3.30. So let us go for the router configuration commands. So basically here, once you give the IP address for the PCs, the connection between switch and PCs are established, and and as usual, you give the commands for the router configuration to configure your switch. So here, to establish connection between routers, we use this OSPF, and as usual, the commands are en config t, and the first OSPF command is router space OSPF space the process ID 1. And the second command is you have to see what all things are connected to your router. That is one LAN network and the router 3 is connected. So you have to give the command network followed by the IP address of the LAN 192.168.1.1 space the wildcard mask, that is the inversion of your subnet mask, which is nothing but 0.0.0.31 space my area, that is area 0. So the next command is I'll have to give the next router's address, which is so its address is 192.168.1.60. So the same way I have to give another command network 1.60 60, and of course subnet mask also changes, and then you have to give as usual no shutdown and come out. So after doing this process, you have to do it for all three routers, and the connection established between the routers, that is you can see the green signals between the routers. So after you come out, you have to give exit and come out of the configuration command, and you have to give this command called copy space running slash config space startup slash config. So this is the command you have to give. Um, so it gives you So you give config d, and then those command copy name config space startup config. So it asks you like destination file name, startup config, um, and so to check your routing table, you have to give troubleshooting commands like check show IP route, and you have one more command called show IP ospf interface, and you have another command called show IP route ospf. So show IP route ospf shows you the ospf entries only. And now I'm going to check my connection by sending a packet from here to here. So, and I'm going to check it through the simulation panel. So you can see the message is passing from there over here. So the message is passed to the common router, and from that router it gives it to the other router and checks if the message is sent to the correct destination file or not. Yes, it is sent, and so you can see the tick mark in the PC. So again, it reconfirms by sending a reply to the PC from which it got the message. And you can see the message going to um, PC6. And as you can see the tick mark over there, it indicates that your packet what you sent from this PC to this PC is successfully sent, and you have got a reply from that PC also. So this is how we do the dynamic routing using the ospf protocol. Thank you.